Put your hands up! Hands up! He's got his gun. He's still got the gun.
See your hands!
Looks like you might have been hit. You still should lie down.
I think I hit him.
A suspect is dead after a gun battle with police in a wooded area of Hawaii. The incident happened on September 23rd in Kau, Hawaii. According to the Hawaii Police Department, officers responded to a report of a man seen with a firearm following a domestic argument with his brother. Officers say they were alerted the suspect was hiding on the dead-end side of a wooded residential area. Body camera footage captured by one of the officers who responded to the scene show officers arrived to a small gate in front of the property. And one can be heard saying they've been to the property before.
Yeah, he does like to run. I've been here before, I remember now.
The officers then one by one climb over the gate and make their way through the grounds.
What? Okay, reach the RP. Location from.
The officers then approach the home in a single-filed line through the wooded area. As they get closer to the home, one officer can be heard giving a signal to the others.
Move the cover. Move the cover and call out, or what do you want to do? Call them out.
Once in a covered spot, an officer calls out to the suspect. They've got the place surrounded.
We have the place surrounded. Come out with your hands up. Do it now. It's the police. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Got movement. He's probably going to run out the back corner.
We got you surrounded.
Seconds later, officers run after the suspect.
Running.
He's coming towards the back.
The officers then follow toward the suspect, who enters a forest-like wooded area located behind the home.
That's a pig. That's a pig. Yeah, that's a pig.
Moments later, gunfire erupts.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Hold. Mill party. Bareback, khaki pants, running towards 27th. That sounds like shots fired. No gun seen though.
You guys good?
This is 915. Copy.
Scott, are you good?
After confirming his fellow officers are okay, police continue their hunt for the suspect.
It sounded what came from the left. Yeah, we're good. Let's move up there. They're still giving commands.
Less than a minute goes by and officers see the suspect and draw their weapons.
Put your hands up! Hands up! He's got his gun. He's still got the gun. Roll to your stomach. Checking. Roll to your stomach.
The officers repeatedly yells to the suspect to follow their commands, and then more gunfire erupts.
He was right down on this hole. He scooted back.
The officer continues to give the suspect verbal commands from behind a tree before another gunfire exchange.
27, he looks like he's on the tree line there. So we're about to open property. But can you guys see if I really right? There's shots fired over here.
Come to 27th. Clear the radio.
Everyone holding. We're doing good on the windows units.
See your hands!
Looks like you might have been hit. You still should lie down.
I think I hit him.
Third watch unit hitting 27th Avenue. You know if anybody has eyes off from 27th. There's no way coming up.
Police confirmed to one another the suspect is down. However, at the moment, it was unclear if the shot was fatal. The Hawaii Police Department says they attempted to perform first aid on the suspect, who was identified as 30-year-old Keina Keoho. He was pronounced dead at the scene. The Hawaii Police Department says no bystanders or officers were hurt. As standard practice, the police department says their internal affairs unit is reviewing the incident, and all of the officers who fired their weapons were placed on administrative leave pending the investigation. Reporting for the Law and Crime Network, I'm Elizabeth Milner.